back on. It just feels naughty not doing it. And then of course the correct signal would be, I now check on that van and I now signal. Now that van pulled out too close to me, but it is what it is, isn't it? Right, I'm going to mirror, signal, and go a little quicker. Because this van here, look, that one, right, tried to do a straight line across that roundabout.
Didn't want to go round.
Right? So, he'd have cut me off. That, he won't find that way of driving in the highway code. So that's him, pure and simple, just being a There's no other way of putting it. Right, now I'm going ahead here, look, and ahead is the first exit. I've got my left signal on, look. What that means is, hey everyone, I'm leaving at my next exit, which happens to be there, look. History has a habit of repeating itself. That van behind did exactly the same positioning at that roundabout. He went in a straight line.
Straight line, not moving.
Right, he went in a straight line. So that meant he went right by the right hand side. So when people look at him, he looks like he's going over there. Right?
He did the exact
he's
same
doing
again.
the exact same thing again, look. Exact same thing. 3 roundabouts, all badly. So if this guy here is trying to pass his driving test, he's failed.
All 3 of them.
Right? Because he's going to make people think he's going another way. He's also been travelling too close at those roundabouts. To the back of a learner car that could do that at any point.
Yeah.
Right?
Going back to it then, didn't he?
I don't think it's deliberate. I don't think it's deliberate at all that he's doing that. I don't think he's got anywhere near the amount of consciousness about this driving that he should have. That.
Literally, it's not even.
Right, can't he do that? Like, to go around that roundabout is literally like this and like this. It's not like it's like, you know, it's not a big task, is it? It's literally, look, ready? It's literally this and this.